All right, I'm in. Racing to the line. Here at Walmart, went for the PS5. Deep out here. All right, what is going on YouTube? So I don't know if you guys can see me, but it is currently 5:30 in the morning. I'm here at the local Walmart. I'm actually the first person about to be in line for the new PlayStation 5. So stay tuned and let's see if it was worth the wait.
Went in the middle and came up. Nobody does that.
So I knew who 12 was. So the first 12 that I handed tickets to instead of today. I don't know when the next delivery is coming. We don't know when they show up. The ticket was 12 in line. We did electronic payment. Need to form an early line. And we're back on the time.
Hold on. Why does he have the ticket?
So if you guys...
Why does he have the ticket? Oh, you gotta get it up, bro. You gotta get it up. Bro, you wasn't here, bro. You gotta get it up, bro. You gotta get it up. I'll see you later, man. Take that. Oh, bro, get that ticket up. Get that ticket up. Just give it up, bro. Be good.
Or the 10 people behind me, speed walking. Here at Walmart, went for the PS5. Deep out here. What is going on, YouTube? I've been struggling, and when I say struggling, I mean struggling to get my hands on the new PlayStation 5. I've been going to Walmart's daily every single morning, right when they open at 7. Last night, I found out from the Walmart manager in the electronics department that they're gonna have a few PlayStation 5s in stock, and they won't be selling those till 7 o'clock in the morning when they open. I stayed up all night. I even drove to Walmart at 5:30 in the morning, even though they open at 7, just so I can secure that PlayStation. It's been a long morning, a cold morning. I was standing out there for about 30 minutes. I was actually second in line. Check this out. So guys, not only did I get my hands on the PlayStation 5, but I also got this bad boy. I got the Xbox Series X. So story behind that, I was in line and I was telling the guy behind me, honestly, I don't even like PlayStation that much. I'm an Xbox guy at heart. The only reason why I'm getting the PlayStation 5 is because the Xbox Series X was all sold out and I couldn't find it anywhere. He actually told me that he was buying the PlayStation today and he was going straight to the MCX on base to return the Xbox that he got for his son. Can you believe this guy actually had the Xbox in his car in the Marine Corps exchange bag with the receipt, getting ready to return it? Right after I bought the PlayStation 5, I went to his car, I cashed out him the money, and then I got my hands on the Xbox Series X. I got the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X.